Hi, I'm Dan DeClerico, Director of the Home Improvement and Outdoor Lab for Good Housekeeping. In the Home Improvement Lab, our home improvement and engineering pros test anything and everything you'd need for home improvement and maintenance. We vet products from the outside of the home in, evaluating the efficiency, durability, and overall performance of windows, siding, roofing, and doors, using equipment like our standardized drop tester, Tabor for abrasion, and UV machine to simulate accelerated weathering. When Window World says its products deliver on weather resistance and durability, consumers can rest assured knowing the claims have been put to the test by unbiased experts. When it comes to windows, vinyl siding, and doors, quality is of course paramount. This is underscored by the fact that all of these products carry the Good Housekeeping Seal. Plus, they offer tremendous variety. Consumers have a wide range of options from which to choose from this Good Housekeeping Seal holder, so we are confident they will be happy with the product.